Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make some simple ikan bakar at home very easily. This is how, at least this is how many Chinese stores are doing it. So first of all, I have two pieces of stingray. The best for, I would say this should be the best option for ikan bakar. It is actually a very thick piece, and then I requested the seller to slice it into two so that it is thinner and therefore it's easier to fry later. Yeah, this is important actually, because if the meat is too thick, it will be very difficult for you to fry. Chances are outside is char, but inside not fully cooked yet. Okay, so you do have to take note on this. First of all, I'm going to give it some turmeric powder. Then I will mix with a little bit of red chili powder. The red chili powder here is actually optional. Today I decided to do it slightly different, so I'm adding the red chili powder, yeah? If not, the turmeric powder is actually good enough. Then you mix it with some water. Make it into thick paste. Right? So, this is good enough. Next thing, we're going to give it some fine salt. This will give it some base flavor. After that, we can apply the turmeric paste on top of the fish. So this particular process, the only thing you should really take note is that don't touch it with your hand, because it's super difficult to wash away the turmeric color. Now, if you want to enhance the flavor of this, then you don't use the the turmeric powder. You actually use the fresh turmeric. That will give you optimum, the best result, I would say. But that is even harder to wash. How do you normally wash away turmeric? Super difficult to wash. So turmeric here got two purposes. Number one, turmeric will actually help to remove the fishiness of the fish, if any. Number two, it will give you some distinctive flavor. Right, then you prepare some oil. I'm using a deeper pan here. Why is it a pan? Because I wanted a very wide opening. Why is it deep? Because you need to allow the splattering. Yeah. So this is 28 centimeter. I saw recently online there's one which is 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter, even better. Get that one. Okay. Then I'm going to put in the fish. Bring the oil temperature to high before you put in the fish. Okay. Then you let it stay for about 2 minutes before you flip it to the other side. These two pieces of fish keep on having oil splattering. How come there's not sure if I got these two pieces from the wet market. Not sure if the wet market people added some water inside, injected some water like pork. Ooh, look at the beautiful char. Ooh, it looks so good. I'm going to give this another 2 minutes. Yeah, just now when I flip it is about 2 to 3 minutes. Right, this is after another 2.5 minutes. Total frying time is about 6 minutes, I would say. 5 to 6 minutes, good enough. Let me bring the fish, put the fish over onto an oil absorbing paper at the side. So here's my very simple ikan bakar with stingray, yeah, at home. You can eat it with some chincharo if you like. You can eat it with some chinchalok if you like. I really don't know why this fish today splattered so much. Did the seller injected some water inside? I really don't know. But anyway, I got this from the wet market. The first time I went to that particular wet market. So I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.